If WhatsApp has banned your account multiple times and you don't know why, you think it's unfair and you're innocent, you haven't done anything wrong, just watch my video completely till the end, because in the video for today, I'm going to explain to you as to why they may have banned your account, even though you think you are innocent, and how you could unban your account so that you could use WhatsApp further. Before I start the video, I want to share with you something very, very important. YouTube has recently started a new feature in which you could hype any videos you watch. I would request you to hype all of my videos that you're watching so that I get some benefit out of it. I put in a lot of hard work in these videos to try and give you a solution to different types of problems with applications or your Android phone. So I would greatly appreciate your support in this regard. And if you like my video, by the end, give it a thumbs up, share it further, and also post a comment in the comment section below. Now, let's get back to the video. So if you are getting banned multiple times on WhatsApp, that's very unfortunate, because these days WhatsApp and many other social media platforms have adopted an auto detection system through which they detect spam or junk and stuffs like that. So if they even suspect that your account is spamming, if you're trying to send junk messages or pictures or whatever, they're going to just ban your account. Why do they ban your account? The first thing is to ensure that there is no spam. These days there are a lot of WhatsApp spams, or to be specific, scams online using WhatsApp. Just think about this. Maybe in the past, you may have sent multiple messages to multiple people, or you may have just forwarded a message like too many times, or you may have bought a new SIM. That SIM belonged to somebody else in the past. It's happening in India, at least. These days, for most networks, if you buy a new SIM card, it may just be a number that was utilized by somebody else. So if that number was of a scammer, then you're automatically going to get detected by WhatsApp and they're going to block the number out. Or maybe you bought a second-hand phone or a refurbished phone, so as to say. That phone belonged to another scammer or something. WhatsApp detects the IP address of the phone, and then they automatically block you out. They think that you are that scammer. So these are just few reasons why they may just block you out. But if you're not falling into any one of these categories of scammers or spammers that I spoke to you about, what you could do is communicate with WhatsApp, tell them your issue, and see if they can help you. I'm not telling you that this is 100% going to be fixed, but you could at least give it a try. Most of the time it is going to get fixed for you. So you have to communicate with WhatsApp the proper way. Yes, you cannot email WhatsApp. They don't have an official email address. You only have an email address for the Meta grievance officer for your location. But if you want to communicate with WhatsApp, you could do it directly through their website. And this is how you need to communicate with them. Get to the official website for WhatsApp, whatsapp.com. And then you scroll right down to the bottom of the page. And then you click on Contact Us. Once you do that, you click on Contact Us under WhatsApp Support. Once you do that, you get directed to this page. You scroll down and you have a form out here. So this communication method has replaced the old email communication to WhatsApp. So you select your country code, put in your phone number. The phone number should be associated with WhatsApp. Put in your email address, confirm your email address. How do you use WhatsApp? Web and desktop, Android, iPhone, however you use it, and then put in your message. So you could just go ahead and type in "Hi team" and tell them that your account is getting banned multiple times for no reason. You are using WhatsApp just to communicate with your friends and family members, and or if you're doing a business, you are communicating in accordance to WhatsApp guidelines. But if you did any mistake that WhatsApp had actually recorded, you just ask them for a one-time exception. Just tell them to forgive you one time, and going further, you're not going to repeat that mistake. but you have to have a little patience because they take at least 4 to 5 working days to get back to you, sometimes even more than that depending on the requests they get in. So I would say at least wait for 5 to 10 days before you go ahead and do anything else. Give this a try. I get a lot of emails asking me for a solution to this problem. This is the only solution to this problem. Communicate with WhatsApp, giving them a reason that you are not actually bad, you are an innocent person who is using WhatsApp the proper way. Yes, but if you're using WhatsApp for illegal purposes and you're asking for a one-time exception, that's not going to work out. Don't even bother. If you are a person who is genuinely using the application for the good, to communicate with your mom or your friends, then WhatsApp would definitely look into it and they are definitely going to go ahead and unban your account permanently. Now, even after doing all these things, you are still facing a problem. What I would suggest is to quit WhatsApp. I'm giving you a practical solution, okay? Just quit WhatsApp and look for alternatives. You could try maybe Botim. Botim is a fantastic alternative to WhatsApp. It has the same features and these guys are pretty lenient as compared to WhatsApp. Reason being that they don't have so many features like WhatsApp, but they have the same features like video calls or voice calls or doing ads and all these things. Take care, my friend.